We're pulling up to Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa, and today I'm going to be giving you a room tour, but first, let's explore the lobby. This space never gets old. Between the chandeliers, the open air, the friendly welcomes like this. Usually there's a live piano or orchestra music, and it truly sets the tone for your entire stay. It's grand, but still very Disney, and the details are just beautiful no matter how many times you visit. Now let's head over to Big Pine Key, where the villas at the Grand Floridian are, and I'm going to be giving you a tour of the resort studio with a preferred view which overlooks the Seven Seas Lagoon. As you enter, you're going to notice that the color palette is really soft and coastal, creams, blues, and subtle Disney details themed to Mary Poppins that feel elevated without being overwhelming. One of my favorite features is the kitchenette, because you'll have a mini fridge, a microwave, and a coffee maker. So perfect for like little quick snacks or a coffee before you head out to the parks. You'll have plenty of storage with their closets and functionality, which I always appreciate. This room has 2 queen beds and a single sofa pullout, which I will show you what that looks like a little bit later during this video. And looking out at the preferred view for the Seven Seas Lagoon, that's like the real highlight of the room and part of the reason that guests choose this category, because you'll have beautiful views that really remind you of where you are. It's peaceful, scenic, and absolutely elevates the stay. This is one of the rooms where you might actually want to like sit back, relax, and enjoy the resort and not rush out to the parks. This room will comfortably sleep 5, so if you are traveling with children, you do have a little extra space. And in the bathrooms, you will have plenty of counter space. If you are traveling with children, you do have a bathtub, which is super convenient for the little ones at the end of a long day. You do have toiletries included, so they'll have pumps in the showers with body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. I love the fragrance of these. You will also have some other basic toiletries like hand soaps, lotion, tissues, shower caps, bar soap, just to make your stay a little bit more comfortable. Now, heading back out into the main area, I do want to show you that single sleeper sofa. So you can see it's a perfect size, so whether you're traveling with children or if an adult needs to sleep on that, they do have a good amount of space. And it is super easy to fold up, as you can see my husband demonstrating here. And now that I wrapped up our room tour, if you are looking to stay at a luxurious resort on Disney property with easy monorail access, this is it, and I would love to help you plan it.